Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Mazda BT50, stock number 7246. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to 6 2020. Has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard. Left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,